Sairam children, good morning. Are you ready with your books and your writing materials, right? You have to complete your books. Till what we have done, you have to complete your books and you have to also do the practice sets. So, we have to continue with our chapter 16, surface area and volume. So, we will revise what we have studied in the previous session. We have studied about cylinder, right? So, here cylinder are shown. Two cylinders are shown, right? So, now you look at the cylinder and you can say that this is a curved surface area, right? And its top and bottom. This is the top of a cylinder and this is the bottom. Top and bottom of a cylinder are circular in shape, right? So, you look here also the second cylinder. You can see this is a radius of a circle or radius of a base. And then this is a perpendicular height. You can call it height. Also it is known as perpendicular height. Because where the height and the radius meet, the 90-degree angle is formed. It is perpendicular. And height is nothing but you can say from the center of the top to the center of the bottom. So these are cylinders. Now look at this. We have also done this. That is given here is a cylindrical container. And we have done this. If you take a paper and wrap it here, right? And the breadth of the paper should be equal to its height, right? And wrap it. And remaining paper you cut it off. And you will find that length is equal to the circumference of the circle. That is circumference of the circle, right? And when you will unwrap it, you will find that it is a rectangular sheet or rectangle. So, let's revise these important formulae. We have studied in the previous session. Curved surface area of cylinder. And what is the formula curved surface area of a cylinder? It is 2 pi r h. And how it is formed? We have seen that. The rectangular sheet is formed and area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is the circumference. So that is, we say that 2 pi r and height is equal to breadth. So 2 pi r h is the curved surface area of cylinder. So now you have to remember this important formula, children. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Total surface area, and that it is equal to curved surface area plus area of circular faces, and there are two circular faces, so 2 multiplied by area of circular faces. Curved surface area we studied now, it is 2 pi r h plus area of circle is pi r square, and there are two circular faces, so 2 pi r square. Now we will find the common factors. So which are the common factors? 2 is common, children, pi r, and uncommon in bracket, h plus r. So formula of total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. Now practice set 16.2. In each example given below, radius of base of a cylinder and its height are given. Then find the curved surface area and total surface area. So which are the things given here, children? Radius is given, radius of base and its height. And we have to find two things. One is curved surface area and one is total surface area. So let's solve the sum. First we will write the given, and that is r. For radius we write r. So r is equal to 7 centimeter and h is equal to 10 centimeter. It is given. So first thing we will find curved surface area of cylinder. So write curved surface area of cylinder is equal to, write the formula 2 pi r h. Then we will substitute the values 2 and value of pi. And what is the value of pi? Yes, 22 upon 7 into 7. Radius is 7 into 10. Then do the calculation. And you know 7 ones are will get cancel, divided. Now what is remaining is 2 into 22. So 2 into 22 children will get 44, right? And then 44 multiply with 10. So you will get 440. So your answer is 440. And unit of area is square, right? Standard unit of area, square. So it is square centimeter because radius and height are given in centimeter. So final answer is 440 square centimeter. Now total surface area of cylinder. So first thing we will write the formula. And what is the formula? Total surface area of cylinder, it is 2 pi r h plus r. Right? So after writing the formula, substitute the values. So we will write 2 into pi, that is 22 upon 7 into 7, radius is 7, then in bracket h, which is 10 centimeter, plus r, which is 7 centimeter, and then we will simplify. So BODMAS rule, first we will solve the bracket part. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7, and 10 plus 7 we know it is 17. Then the next step, calculation, that is cancellation. 7 ones will get cancelled. What is remaining is 2 into 22. So 2 into 22, 44. Multiply by 17. So multiply children 44 by 17. And when you multiply 44 by 17, you will get the answer 748. So answer is 748 square centimeter. So total surface area of cylinder is 748 square centimeter. Now next sum. Second sum. R radius is equal to 1.4 centimeter and h is equal to 2.1 centimeter. So here units are same centimeter but both are having decimals. Radius is 1.4 and height is 2.1 centimeter. And what we have to find? Yes, first thing, curved surface area of cylinder. So we will write curved surface area of cylinder is equal to formula 2 pi r h. Next step, substitute the values. So 2 into, yes, 22 upon 7 into, now radius is 1.4. So multiply with 1.4, then height 2.1. Then we will divide. 7 ones are, now here decimal is there. You know that 7 2s are 14, but a decimal is there. So we have to write 0.2. Right? Because 1 place decimal will come. Then what is remaining is 2 into 22 into 0.2 into 2.1. Then you will multiply children. And that is 2 into 22. You know it is 44. Right? Then 44 multiply with 0.2. So when you multiply 44 with 0.2, you will get 8.8. Right? Because 1 place decimal. And that you multiply with 2.1. So multiply 8.8 with 2.1 and you will get the answer, yes, 18.48 square centimeter. So this is the answer. Curved surface area of cylinder is 18.48 square centimeter. Now total surface area of cylinder. So first thing we write the formula. Formula is 2 pi r h plus r. Then substitute the values. 2 into, yes, 22 upon 7 into 1.4. Then in bracket 2.1 plus 1.4. Then we will add the bracket part. So other things we will write as it is. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 1.4. And when you add 2.1 plus 1.4, bracket will, that is, you are going to solve it. And arrange decimal below decimal. So you will get 3.5. So we have got the answer 3.5. Then next step is, we will divide. 7 ones are 7, it is, yes, 0.2 as we have done in the previous calculation. Then we will multiply 2 with 22. You will get 44. Then 44 you multiply with 0.2. So you will get 8.8. That you have to multiply with 3.5. So you have to multiply, children. And when you will multiply, you will get the answer 30.8 square centimeter. So this is your answer. Total surface area of cylinder 30.8 square centimeter. Then next sum, third sum. Radius is 2.5 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. So first thing we will find curved surface area of cylinder. And formula of curved surface area of cylinder is, yes, 2 pi r h. Children, then what you have to do? Substitute the values. So steps are same. Only your values of radius and height are changing. So here 2 into pi, yes, 22 upon 7 into 2.5 into 7. Then you know that calculation, 7 ones are 7 ones are will get cancelled. What is remaining is, you can multiply 2 with 22, 44. That 44 you multiply with 2.5 and you will get the answer 110 square centimeter. Or we have also learnt, when there are 3 numbers to multiply, you can choose the 2 smaller one or simpler one. So if you will do that, then 2 multiply with 2.5. When you multiply 2 with 2.5, you will get the answer 5. That 5 you multiply with 22, you will get 110. So that way also you can do. So you will get the answer 110 and then write the unit, square centimeter. Then next part, total surface area of cylinder. So we will write the formula, and the formula is 2 pi r. Then in the bracket we will write h plus r. Then substitute the values. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.5. And then you have to take the bracket part, which is 7 plus 2.5. Then yes, Bodmer's rule we will do, right? And children, now this part is also solved and shown, and we have seen in the previous calculation, right? That is, you will multiply 2 with 2.5, you will get 5. That you multiply with 22, so you will get 110 upon 7, right? And then this bracket part, 7 plus 2.5, and you should be now able to add. That is, 7 is not having decimal, 2.5. So you have to arrange decimal below decimal. Here decimal is not there, you have to take 0. Then you will get the answer 9.5. So this is the way you have to continue. And children, now 110 upon 7 we have got. So that first you will multiply 110 with 9.5. So when you multiply with 9.5, your one decimal here will go with the 0. And what is remaining is you have to multiply 11 with 95 upon 7. So first you multiply, that answer you will get 1045. That 1045 you have to divide by 7. So some 3 decimal place and all you take. So when you will divide, you will get 149 point, take 3 decimal places, 285. Then convert to 2 decimal places. So for that convert to 2 decimal place, you have to check the third one. The third one is 5 or greater than 5. Then you take 1 to the previous. So you will get 149.29 square centimeter. So this is the way, children, you have to do this calculation. So final answer 149.29 square centimeter. Next sum. This is the fifth sum. So fourth sum is given as an assignment. Now radius r is equal to 4.2 centimeter and h is equal to 14 centimeter. Curved surface area of cylinder is, write the formula, 2 pi r h. Then values, substitute the values, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 4.2 into 14. So here we can easily divide 7 ones are 7, 2s are. Then you multiply the numbers, 2 into 22, you will get 44. 44 first you multiply with 2, you will get 88. That 88 you multiply with 4.2. So multiply 88 with 4.2, you will get the answer 369.6. Then write the unit, square centimeter. So you decimals and all till now you know, one decimal place is there. So accordingly put it correct place and write the answer, which is 369.6 square centimeter. Now total surface area of a cylinder. First thing, write the formula, and formula is 2 pi r, then in the bracket h plus r. Yes children, now by this time you should be able to do. Substitute the values. So values are 2 into 22 upon 7 into 4.2, and then in the bracket you have to add 14 plus 4.2. Then the next step, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 4.2, and the bracket part is 14 plus 4.2. Yes, it is 18.2. Right? Now what we will do children? We will now divide here. 7 ones are, 7 ones are 7 6 are 42, but it is 4.2. So one place you have to write decimal, so it will come 0.6, and then you have to multiply. So multiply 2 with 22. Yes, it is 44. That 44 you multiply with 0.6, so you will get 26.4, and that 26.4 you have to write here. Then multiply with 18.2. So you have to just children be careful while multiplying. So you will get the answer 480.48 square centimeter. 480.48 square centimeter, which is the total surface area of a cylinder. Assignment question children. Fourth one. An R radius is given 70 centimeter and height is given 1.4 centimeter. Curved surface area of a cylinder. So you know curved surface area. Yes, it is 2 pi r h. Then substitute the values. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 70 into 1.4. So this is upon children. So 7 ones are 7, 10s are. Then you do multiplication. 2 into 22. So you will get 44. And here 10 multiplied with 1.4 will become 14. Only your decimal will get shifted. So multiply children 44 with 14. And whatever the answer you are getting, write the unit, square centimeter. And that is the answer of curved surface area of a cylinder. Now total surface area of a cylinder. Same way what you will do, write the formula. Then you will substitute the values and do the calculation and write the answer. So this is your assignment question children. So we will stop here and continue in the next session. And children, you have to practice the sums and you have to complete your books also. Sai Ram children.